Good morning, coming to you from the Arizona desert on this episode of MTV Cribs. And on the last episode, I showed you what I was driving and living in. About to do the same. It's Ford F650. This big sweet baby right here. Her name is Clarice. Yeah, she's got a V8, as you can see. But I also have a flux capacitor attached in there, so I traveled into the future. I went to the set of the Fast and the Furious 37. I met Vin Diesel and The Rock's great-great-grandkids. They hooked me up with someone on the set. I got that motor board out. She does 0 to 60 in 0.003 seconds. She'll break your neck. She's got speed. Look at that body. Oh yeah. Let me show you what we got going on in the cab up here. Here's the control center over here. I got night vision entertainment there. It's a backup cam. I catch all the hookers, ladies of the night, lot lizards, madams, whatever you want to call them. Damsels, yeah. And also the people trying to break in the truck. I catch them on the camera there. But this sweet steering wheel, comfort ride. Got hydraulics over there. I hit switches, make it drop like a 64 Impala. All the fancy features, heat, air, a booming system that's a custom installed 6,000 watt. That speaker there is a subwoofer, tweeter, amp, all in one. Get crazy bass on that. It's insane. That's the cab. That's how I travel in style up there. But let me show you back here. Gotta climb up these stairs to jump inside. I'll show you my gym first. This is where I get the workouts in. Some resistance bands there. It's my kitchen, my food, clothes, medicine cabinet. It's where I change, do all my stuff in there. Over here we got the bathroom. You got number 1, number 2 right there. And this is where the magic happens. Got my bed, blanket, my pillow. Got the hammock up here in case I have some guests. And I can even convert this when you're laying up in here. Bring it over here to one switch. Get her inside here. It's a Vietnamese cradle. But then I can open it back up. Real quick, that attaches. Some straps here. Crazy stuff going on. You want to get hooked up, can hang you from there over the other side over there as well. And yeah, a lot of fun going on in here. I got room to sleep too right now, so if you're coming to visit, make sure you bring your own bed. And just in case you're having doubts about getting up them stairs or fitting in that door, if you're an older woman with hip problems or a bigger girl, I don't discriminate, have no fear. Got the elevator back here, the lift. Don't worry, I'll lift you up, get you right in there. So when you see me parked somewhere, come knock on the door so I can let you in. We can have some fun. Yeah. Well, I gotta get going, heading to California. But I leave this all set up, so once I get there, you see me, knock on that door. And as they say, you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. So peace, till next time.